Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can align text in WPS Abyss application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Word document in WPS Abyss application, and I'm going to show you how we can align this text. Okay, first of all, you can select your text and then you can go to the alignment. Right here, there will be align left and then center, and this one align right, or this one, the justify, and I prefer this justify. Okay, so the result will be like this. And yeah, that's simple. You just need to select your text and go to the alignment menu on the home tab. Okay guys, and that's how we can align text in WPS Abyss application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.